Here we have a 67 plate BMW 420d M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, got the gloss black front kidney grills and also the gloss black front splitter, and there's a look at that front end. Coming round to the passenger side now, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, just down there. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a rear reversing camera and a visual display inside. Round to the back you can see we have the twin pipe exhaust on the left of the rear diffuser. We also have the power operated tailgate, which can open with a simple press of a button. But making our way back round to the driver's side now, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Having a look at the back first, you'll find we have the full black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, so you'll find the same leather seats. Both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. You also have the automatic lights, automatic wipers. We'll just take a seat inside. You find the dashboard in front of us along with the multifunctional steering wheel. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. You do have the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left hand side. Of course the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Dashboard free from any warning lights. We also have the main entertainment screen just here in the centre. Now if that's flickering or if any other lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, nothing to worry about. We've got the buttons just down here for the screen. You can see we have the sat nav, you have the radio stations along with the other media options just here if you go to the left. You see these different options just here. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Further down you'll then find the dual zone climate control, heated seat buttons either side. We also have the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Further down from there we've got the automatic gearbox, which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and switch through the different drive modes. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you then find the reverse camera and parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P with the manual handbrake, and finally the leather armrest just here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420d M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I've had to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has paddle shifters either side. If you want to stick the car into your manual mode and change the gears yourself, simply just tap on the pedals and it will change gear. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. We've got the dashboard in front of us, which has a digital screen in the centre showing the trip computer. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, more than 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. We do have the main infotainment screen in the centre as well. It's currently showing the sat nav, with plenty more features on there you'll have seen on the photos. And below there we do have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, as the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we've put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down. Now we're going to take a right hand turn now, the traffic has gone. Onto the industrial park. We're going to perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Put onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Got the reverse camera up here on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.